No more tedious messaging with your prospects. Here's how to build a simple funnel system that works for you. So imagine being the person who deals with marketing, product, service deliveries, or even handling questions from all your customers. Imagine you have thousands or 2,000 customers that you need to handle at the same time. You practically have no time for yourself, right? You have to deal with a lot of things. So Bernard C here, and I'm about to show you how to build a simple funnel system that works for you using InstaFunnels. So now I'm at the dashboard of InstaFunnels. So now we'll be creating a product funnel. So product funnel can be something like a physical product or a digital product. So in this case, we'll probably be going for a digital product just to make things simple. So if you have the only difference between physical product and digital product is just that your payment form, you just have to include the shipping address, that's all. So in this case, I'll go for digital product just to keep things simple for you guys. So now we could be on the dashboard. Let me go into the funnel. So to create a new funnel, you can see there's a button here. Just click the new funnel. And once you're in the new funnel, you can just go to the funnel name and just type the funnel name that you want. In this case, I'll probably type a digital product funnel just to prevent any confusion. Once you're done, click create funnel. And now we are here, digital product funnel. So first step, let's add an opt-in page. Just click the add new step and you just type opt-in page. Done. Once you're done, click funnel step, create funnel step, and then we'll have our first step done. So let's dive into the opt-in page. Click edit page and we are in the editing interface. Okay, so once you're here, just go to the full width to create a section. Full width, usually we'll use full width. And once you're done, you will see something like this, the interface right here. So in the opt-in page, what you usually need is probably a headline, a sub-headline, a video, and a button. And last but not least, an opt-in form for users to actually fill in their details. Okay, so now we have create one column, just create a simple headline, and we have a sub-headline. That's optional, but just at least have something that captures the visitor's attention. That's all you need, right? Okay, so this two seems a bit close, so we can just maybe add a bit of margin. Okay, I think 12 pixels is fine. Alright, so we have this thing up and reduce the padding bottom to include more space in the next section. Okay, maybe just try not to include them together. Or I should create another new section right here. Okay, now we have column and then we have a video right here. Okay, we have a video that actually explains why your visitors are here. So once the video is done, and you can have a button. So for this video part, this video element, just go to the left side of the screen and you can select the video type that you want to put. You can have YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or even custom embed or HTML5. Up to you, right? You can even allow the video to autoplay or not, and also having the user to click play or pause, or the controls can let it be available as well. And also the width, so in this case maybe just make it maybe not too full. Okay, maybe 3/4 width would be even. This looks great, this size is fine. And the button seems like it's too near to the start, too near to the video. Let's go for 20 margin. Alright, evenly spaced out. In this case, it's let's say a digital product, grab your free copy now. Right, there you go, it's this opt-in page. Once you're done with this, make sure the button actions must open the pop-up. So now we go and edit our pop-up. So click the pop-up settings, let's add a row. Okay, in this case, one column row, then we have a form. So we don't have any forms yet. Let's see what forms should I put. Okay, let's set the new form instead right away. So from here, just click the new form, and we are in the form builder, right? So InstaFunnels actually has a separate form builder for you to specifically build forms. Either you can build it as a form alone to collect information without a landing page, or you can integrate it with a landing page. So in this case, I'll be integrating it with the landing page, alright? So let's create a new form again from scratch. This is for our free product. So first of all, let's change the title right here, form name, just for me to easily identify which form I should use. So in this case, let me think, maybe say opt-in form, digital product. Alright, we've done with that. And now we have the field. So usually what opt-in form is supposed to do is to collect information. So of course, first of all, let's create first name. Let's drag in an email. What else do we really need? Do we need phone number? Not really. I think email should be fine. Phone number, usually people aren't that secure on providing phone numbers to random landing pages. They're worried of getting spam, especially in Malaysia right here. Okay, let's see if we can change the background. Let's go for something like lawn green. Or maybe a bit darker. Okay, let's see. I think this bright font will be fine. We'll do just fine. Okay. And then we have the border. Maybe we can. Okay, we'll go for 5 pixels. Corner radius. Okay, just simple form is nice. I don't need to go so. I'm gonna make it too nice for it. Just simple form right here. Alright. So once you're done, just probably click integrate form. And integrate form, correct. In case you want to post your form somewhere else or directly embed the code, this is the code here and also the link. Yep. So I'll touch this in later videos in case you want to create a form as a separate entity. In this case, just click save and that's it, because we want to integrate it into the landing page. So from here, just click select your form, opt-in form digital product. Okay, great. Now we have our form right here, okay? So of course, just having a form here alone looks weird. And if you think it is weird, you're correct, because you need some explanation, right? On why the users are here and what they should do on the form. Because we have a title, there may be some line. Okay, maybe this part, just have something simple, tell me where to send this to you. Then here probably say fill in the form below, so you can receive this properly or whatever. Okay, then we're going to go to this margin top, just like that. Okay, so one, we're going in depth onto the copywriting because that is not I want to teach you guys right here. I'm just teaching you the technical aspects on building a funnel using InstaFunnels. Okay, so once you have this form set up, and that's it, you are done with the opt-in form. Alright, collect user information, and don't forget to click save. Alright, if not, all the efforts will go to waste. Make sure you click save. Okay, once you're done, and you can click preview. So usually the preview link will provide you a free link, free domain from InstaFunnels, usually end with instafunnels.co right here. So you can see this is maybe our simple opt-in form for users to actually fill in the details and you send them the stuff. Let's click the button. Alright, great, it works. Let's do it again. Just now we see a random pop-up from nowhere, just making sure that it is closed properly. Okay. Let's click review again. Alright, cool. And just now there was a random bug, I think. We didn't close the form. Oh, tell me something. Probably this pop-up actually appears after a few seconds of the users being here. Well, that's actually good. Okay, button's working, everything's fine. Okay, it's just to see for this, open pop-up settings. Alright. Shows pop-up, I see. Okay, that's why. Just disable that. Advanced. Okay, looks good. Okay, this one should be able to prevent the pop-up from just popping up by itself. Just click save again as you see the changes. Alright, it is safe. Just close the form, click preview, again, and back. That's it. No more pop-up randomly from nowhere, alright? Because I forgot to disable the option for that. So once the user watches the video and so on, grab a free copy, pop-ups up, you can type in the name and email, that's it, and submit. That's all. Alright. Okay, there's one more thing that I probably have to improve, which is to go back to the form again. Alright, let me see if I can edit the form from here. Advanced, okay, maybe not. Okay, this one I'll change it to go to the next step because that's exactly what we want. Okay, there's a bit of more things that I need to settle before I end this video. There's one crucial part that I realized that I'll need to change. Okay, let's go back to InstaFunnels. Yes, we need to go back to the form builder. Okay, let's go to marketing and click form builder. Let's go to the form and import digital product. Yeah, the reason why I come back to here again is because I realized this. The first name, it is not required. This is important for our email sequence later. That's why I'll need to make sure that this form actually works. Okay, once I'm done, just click integrate form and then you click save and exit. Okay, our form should be updated right now. Let's go back to the funnel. Okay, just go to digital product funnel. Let's go into the opt-in page. Just want to see if things are doing well. Alright, let's go to the pop-up. Okay, now you have the asterisk here, which works good. Now, user is it is compulsory for user to actually fill in the details. Okay, that's all for the opt-in page for now. So the second part, the next part of the video, the second part, I'll be talking about the main sales page of your funnel system, and also a one-step payment gateway if the video is not too long. Alright. So if you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe in the right corner of the screen, or if you're watching this from my Facebook page, please feel free to like and share this video to whoever needs this. Until then, take care, see you guys in the next part of the video.